Hello friends. So this is our first lecture on ecology, and here we will be discussing these topics. So after the class is over, you should be able to answer these questions: why life on Earth, second, origin and evolution of Earth, and why ecology, and what is the difference between ecology, environment and ecosystem. So let's start with introduction. So universe is as old as 15 to 20 billion years, and the human beings are the most recent beings. So they emerged, and they are only 2 million year old. So now, why there is life on Earth? Our first question. So because there is presence of water. 75% of the Earth is covered with water, and like atmosphere, the gaseous atmosphere supports life on Earth. Oxygen is nearly 21% along with other gases. So third is temperature. Temperature is also like 16 degree Celsius, which is the most favorable for our living. Okay. Now also the fourth factor which gave rise to life on Earth is the buffering capacity. Buffering capacity is what that the Earth tries to maintain its pH to 7 both on soil and on water bodies. So our next question is how life originated on Earth. So in our starting period, there was only methane, ammonia, carbon dioxide, hydrogen gases around the atmosphere of Earth, but there was no oxygen, and the Earth was also very hot. So water vapor was there, but so as the Earth cooled down, water emerged on the surface because of water vapors, and from that water it is believed that life also came into existence, and in the form of bacteria. So these bacteria developed chlorophyll, and thus converting carbon dioxide and hydrogen to oxygen in the presence of sunlight, called photosynthesis. When the oxygen reaches 21%, and the life on Earth, so this was the breaking point, and the life on Earth started to form on Earth's surface also in the form of protists. They are also singular cellular organism, and then came multicellular organism, fungi, plants, animals, and the cycle goes on. Now the next question is, what is ecology, environment and ecosystem? These are the three things we have to understand in these slides. So ecology, it is basically a branch of science that is concerned with the interrelationship of organism with their environment along with the associated energy flow. So mark the word interrelationship. The interrelationship of organism with environment. So organisms are in relationship with environment and also with among themselves, and there is an energy flow. So like every thing we study in physics, chemistry has some unit. So there is also a unit given to ecology called ecological unit. So population is the smallest ecological unit, which is nothing but a group of individuals of same species. Now, the second thing above from population comes community. Community is the sum of all the population living in population of different species. Means we can have tiger here plus human being here plus cows here. So when they all are combined, they became community. And community is also defined over a specific area and over a certain time period. This, if we consider a tiger or human in particular, they are population, but when they are taken in combination, they become a community. And now what is environment? The second thing. Now the previous slide shows it's a branch of science with interrelationship of organism with the environment. Environment word mark here. So in the next slide we discuss what is environment. Environment is the surrounding, nothing but the surrounding in which organisms lives and operates. Means I am a organism, I need some human around me, and I also need plants, soil, water, etc. around me. So this is nothing but the environment for me. So it includes both living as well as non-living components. Non-living components called abiotic components are light, humidity, water, soil, gases, and living components which are required are like plants, animals, microorganisms like bacteria, fungi. Human beings are also needed. Now the third thing is ecosystem. Now there is a similarity between ecology and ecosystem, and you will get confused many a times. So I will clear your doubt. So ecosystem and ecology, there is a difference, that this is an ecosystem, and if we study it, then it becomes ecology. It's an ecosystem, and when we study it, it becomes an ecology. So ecology is the study of ecosystem, whereas ecosystem are the units that are formed by the interaction of community of organism with the environment. Getting my point? It's the study of ecosystem, and ecosystem is nothing but the interaction of community. Mark the word interaction. Interaction of community of organism with the environment. So now let's take a question. So this was asked in UPSC 2015. So which of the following is the best description of the term ecosystem? So pause it and take your time and then answer in the comment box. So the best answer is, the answer given is 1. You may have a doubt in 1 and 3. You will say that a community of organisms together within the environment in which they live is sounding similar with the definition that we have studied earlier. But here the word interaction is missing. I have written in answer also, as interaction is the main thing which makes ecosystem. So this is the best definition, and hence this is the answer. So guys, thank you. Please like, share and subscribe, and more lessons will be coming. So stay updated.